About the constitutionality of the
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northern Clay County in northeastern Florida, southwestern Duval County in northeastern Florida until 11:30 a.m. At 10:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middleburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Orange Park, Green Cove Springs, Middleburg, Mandarin, Fruit Cove, Flaming Island, Bay Meadows, Oakleaf Plantation, Bel Air Meadowbrook Terrace, and Switzerland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Duval, and St. Johns.